Hello, this is the very small tutorial. I just wanted to. I was talking to my friend, and he had an issue with understanding the continue in array. So I'm just making a video so others, if anyone doesn't understand, they can learn from that. So let's say we have an array. Yeah. So let's say we have array 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And we have a for loop, and it is array length. And what we do is, so he wanted to skip, for example, 3. So what regular beginners would do is they will say if I, so it would be array I, yeah, array A is not equal to 3, do something. Yeah, this is the beginning. Or some people will put like if it is 3, skip, and else you do something. So on each they will do this. But there is a better way. What you can do is you can just put it here, and here you can use continue. So continue, what it does, it just skips that iteration. So let's say we'll just put here log, console log, and array I. And if I run it, if you see 3 is skipped, so there's no 3. So continue will just skip. But if you want to break after 3, you say if it's 3, that's it, stop, we found the thing, so you can put break. So I just wanted to show you the continue, because usually they'll put like 2 if else statements to do the same thing. So break will break. If it's equal to 3, it will just break. So this is the thing I wanted to show you. But there's another thing I wanted to show is how to add entire array. So there are 2 ways to do that. And let's say you have here sum, yeah. Let sum is equal to 0. I'm just initializing. We shouldn't, but doesn't matter. So sum. So you just add array I, yeah. So you're just adding all arrays. And here at the end, we're just logging log sum. So we went through and we just iterated and added everything. So this would work, but there is another better way. You can do what you can do is you can call reduce function. So it's the same, sum is equal to array1 reduce, and so what reduce does is it will have the previous value and the current value. I'll show you what it is. So we'll just have a function. It is previous and current. I'm just simplifying it. So now whatever you return here, it will keep as a previous. So in array functions, if it's just one line, you don't need to put return, so it will be returned anyway. So previous, current, yeah. So this is equivalent to return previous current to that one. Yeah. So the result is the same, but when it's just one, you don't need to put this. One line, it's just doing, so it will automatically return. And here, if it was only one, you wouldn't need this two, because it's two, you need to have this brackets. So as you see, it's working. So this is good. So we simplified everything, we just reduced into one. Imagine if you did this previous, current, yeah, and you said this would be the same thing, yeah. So this would be much simpler. So this, and let's say you have an object array. So you have let object, and the object will be an array of objects. So for example, what? Let's say number, yeah, number 1, and we'll just go like, I'm just getting lazy. So it would be number 1. So if you want to use the same thing, if you say like sum is equal to obj reduce, and you call like previous, current, the same thing, previous plus current. But because it is an object, you cannot just put current, you need to call none, yeah. So logically it should work, yeah, if you think logically. But because the first one will be returned as an object, yeah, if I put here num, the first would be number, but the rest wouldn't be, because it's already calculated, it will throw an error. See? So the solution for that is we need to simplify the array as here. So how do you do that? So here there's a function called map, and on the map you can say get my object, yeah, and return only from that object none. So what we did is we returned all objects and then we reduced. So this is an array that's returned. So you're just chaining them together. So if I do that, you'll see that all our numbers became one array. So now we can use reduced on that array, and it would be the same thing. So this is the thing. I guess this is the simpler way. I don't know, on the website, I was looking for that. If I see, array methods, yeah. Somewhere here you can find this map reduce. Somewhere here you will find different array functions. The website is called W3 Schools. If you want to get knowledge, a lot of knowledge, and free, you can go to freecodecamp.org. This is the best website to get all the knowledges. I had a solid knowledge here on this website. I'm really grateful for the thing. Whatever I teach online is this one on the Free Code Camp. A lot of courses, but you can see all this websites, and it's approximately 300 hours of coursework, and you'll get very experienced if you complete this course. All right, thank you.